Hi guys, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. I've been making product videos and kitchen appliance videos for a long time, and I never actually revealed how I edit those. Ninja cookware video is really good to my eyes. It's a very simple, effective product video. Black background with the silver product, and these images are heavily photoshopped, but it's okay, they stand out very well. And I thought this is a really good piece to follow, to reference, to make our own version. To me, the video is a little bit long, so here's what I did. I tried to create everything within Final Cut Pro without After Effects, and I only used the text effects and one transition plugin for this one. So if you like this video and want to look at the whole editing progress, leave a comment. Let me know if you guys out there looking for this one. Thanks for watching.